Hello viewers, last time I was working on a Word document of 81 pages. So the word observation was required to be changed into para in specific places on every page, which is possible to three ways. On screen please. Now let's open the Word document and you will see it's 81 pages of a soft copy, and observation word at this place need to be changed into para on each and every page. So the first and conventional method, let me share, or what we do, we simply remove the word and then we write para and do it again and again. This is the most time consuming and tiring. Now let's go for the second method, that is press from your keyboard ctrl G and click replace. Now type find word observation and replace with para or para and find next. Now the issue arises that it will change all the observation, but I can't change the observation word inside because all the meaning of this para would go wrong. So let me share you the third and the first class method through which you can change all the observation in one go. So simply first go and write para, then copy the word and now select the word, press Ctrl key and keep on selecting every observation word. Don't release Ctrl key. And after selecting, simply click Ctrl V. Now all the words are changed into para on the specific area of each and every page, through which there is no chance of error inside the ordered para or huge text. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.